Hello viewers, so welcome back to my channel once again. This is oaksjoint. This is the Fetu Afahye 2024 updates that we've been doing over a couple of weeks now. Now, behind me is the Pusuban or the Israeli of the Asafo Company, otherwise known as the Amanful Asafo Company. And these are some of the preparations they go through early morning before they set off to the procession grounds to have or join other companies as well as the chiefs and elders of people for the procession to the Deba ground. And this morning, newly installed Asafo, a handful or the Asafohen, Asafo Akyere, etc., came around and then perform certain rites and rituals. And these are performed before they are actually left to join their colleagues to have the procession from Pacification Junction through the principal street of Cape Coast to the Deba ground, which is the Jubilee Park. So, as you can rightly see, there are a number of them here, both male and female, who have undergone the ritual of going around the Pishuban three times, followed by their able family members and a whole lot of people. So we will keep you updated, and it seems that it is over. They are about to set up to the Denver ground, so you can see that the two carriers are being ushered into carrying their food from here to the procession ground, to and eventually go on to the Denver ground. So keep your dialogue here. I'll keep updating you on every single thing that happens during this After 2024. See ya.
Asafo Companies. Yeah, you want. Asafo Companies. Yeah, you want. Asafo Companies. Yeah, you want. Base. Yes, one. I don't know what to want. Oh, you go. See, he say my from a so I will pray. I just wait, basic on our car, just wait, basic way. I just wait, basic way. I say, I just am from my phone, you just my phone, you just my phone, so my pray. Yeah, I just wait, basic way. I say, yes, my from a so. See, he say my from a so I just you go back fancy when I got some piece of ya. See, yes, I'm from yo, pass on me and call. Yo, pass on me and call. Yo, spend time for me and call me and call. Oh, me and call. Yo, pass on me and call. Pass on me and call. Spend time for me and call me and call. Oh, me and call. Yeah, I'm going to fit him. Yeah, I'm going to say, oh, yeah, you got to go to. Ask for free and tell how I'm going to say. Ask for free. Say